A high-profile drug case takes a sad and bizarre turn when the defense attorney himself dies of a drug overdose.
Some of his clients say that attorney represented them well, but one told us the attorney's drug use affected his case. Investigative reporter Chris Horne uncovers what happens when your attorney is impaired. Chris.
Anita and Tom, a special receiver is now in charge of the cases of attorney Jason Hamlin. The man who's sitting in jail says Hamlin did not represent his best interests, but it's enormously difficult to prove that kind of claim. As we showed you last month, this Chesapeake traffic stop took a strange and tragic turn when an 18-year-old shot and killed herself while in handcuffs. But it had another bizarre twist. The driver, Holden Medlin, was arrested on drug charges. And then 4 months later, his attorney, Jason Hamlin, died of a heroin and fentanyl overdose. Medlin didn't want to discuss his deceased attorney, but his death came as no surprise to another one of Hamlin's clients.
How did I have a fair trial if I had a lawyer to represent me that was intoxicated?
Hashid Mills hired Hamlin to represent him on breaking and entering and assault charges. Mills says there were signs, more than just the missed phone calls and what he says were severe mood swings during their meetings.
He had on long sleeve shirt, so I figured that, and I saw blood specks in his shirt. The main part that I can deeply remember is when he was like, "Ain't nothing wrong with doing drugs." That's what signified it right there. I knew it.
That was a red flag for you.
That was a red flag for me. I was like, no, I can't have him represent me.
Hamlin's family told us his diabetes caused severe health complications and pain that were too much for him to endure. Mills was convicted, Hamlin died, and then Mills got a new attorney for sentencing. The judge gave Mills 4 years active prison time. Mills contacted the State Bar Association both before and after Hamlin's death.
I wrote Virginia State Bar multiple times.
But the bar says it has no disciplinary authority over deceased attorneys. And a former Commonwealth's attorney says what Hamlin did would likely not have gotten him disbarred.
Hamlin, if he had lived, all this came to light, would have probably had his license suspended.
Harvey Bryant says the suspension would likely have been from 3 to 6 months. Mills is appealing, but because his 4-year sentence was actually below the low end of the guidelines, he's unlikely to prevail. And once all of his appeals are exhausted, he can file a claim for ineffective assistance of counsel. But Bryant says that's unlikely too.
It's rare. It's
rare.
Not often.
Okay.
Not often. It has to be a pretty strong, obvious case.
Here's what to do if you think your attorney is impaired. First, get your file back.
Address the attorney, his or herself, and say, I want my feedback. I don't believe you're properly representing me because you seem to be impaired.
And for clients who can prove ineffective counsel, the Virginia Bar Association has a compensation fund. In the meantime, this question is haunting Hashid Mills.
How can you do drugs and represent someone? Your mind's not going to be all the way there.
Mills hired Hamlin for $1,500. He's trying to recover that money from the compensation fund. The State Bar says Hamlin received no public discipline, and the receiver's report is sealed. Bryant says lawyers are ethically bound to report other lawyers who they know are impaired. Chris Horne, 10 on your side.